Tina here, once again from ShortMeTina.com with my daily recap. Today's Thursday, so happy Thursday. I think I'm gonna try my best. Although I feel like I have a lot to say, I'm gonna try my best to keep these videos under 5 minutes. Um, I want to say like during the quarantine, and I myself listen and watch like random videos, and when they're over 5 minutes, it just tends to drag. So I can only imagine. So 5 minutes and under, I will try going forward. Let's see if I can do it. Anyway, thanks for being here. Thank you so much for stopping by. Do me a solid thumbs up, comment in the comment section. Again, it helps to get these videos out to traders just like yourself that's looking for a little bit of guidance or information. So today we're off about 0.88% in the markets. We closed at 290.63. A bit of context here. March 23rd of 2020, we bottomed. Let's put that in quotes because the future is unknown. We bottomed with a low of 218.26. So in a month's time, right, from March 23rd until where we're at presently, well, actually, let's go to yesterday, the 29th. With a high of 294.88, the market is up, the SPY in particular, is up 35%. 35% in a short period of time. 4 weeks for the market, 35%. That's insane to me. Let's break down the hourly. And it's a reason why I started to shave a lot of my long positions yesterday. So let's look at the hourly chart. And I had made a mention when I tweeted out, wow, that 288 level was tested for quite some time and kept getting that bounce, right? So we had 288.78. Then we had another retest of that 288 area and a third retest and a fourth retest. And all the while, the market kept bouncing off of that 288, right? So we closed at 290.39, up above that 288 level, but still below the high of today of around 294, north of 295. So heading into Friday, which is telling, this might... whatever happens Friday might essentially continue into trading on Monday. I'm definitely going to be paying attention to that 288 level. Let's switch back to the daily. Because if we breach that, if we break that low, I think we can sort of spiral. So again, I did say a while back, if we can get above that resistance area of 280 to 285, we can run to around 300. Granted, we didn't get to 3. We went as close as 295, almost hugging and kissing that 200-day. So will it continue to trend up, or is this the beginning of a more sinister pullback? Now, again, being that the market is up 35% in 1 month, again, not talking about fundamentals. I had to throw that out the window. I want to say after the market kept trending up on huge unemployment claims, right? The first time we had those huge numbers, like 6.5 million, the market like rallied. And then the following week, same thing, 6 point something million, the market rallied. I said, look, disconnect, Tina, stop trading on the fundamentals, just focus on the chart. And when I did that, I made my decision to obviously let go of my market short in my trading account and decided to go long the market. So I say all that to say, just strictly looking at the chart, the fact that we're up 35% in 1 month, I would not be surprised if we pulled back to the tune of 15%. And from yesterday's high, 15% would be a SPY of around 250. I cannot talk about whether or not we're going to retest the bottoms because right now we've ran too quickly. That conclusion would have to be done as the markets trade along. Hope that makes sense. What else do we have? All right, IWM off about north of 4%. So it kind of pulled back a lot more than the SPY did today. But, you know, the small caps have been on a tear lately. My last video was 4 minutes, so that means I have to really cut this short. Again, yesterday I said that not paying attention to the fundamentals, paying attention to the chart. We decided to go long in the premium member community when the IWM was trading around that 117 range. We ran up all the way yesterday to 136.85, and believe it or not, we shaved off. We not even shaved. We took off our position around that area because, again, that was about a north of 20% move in literally 1 week. way too fast. I'm gonna take that quick win when it happens so quickly. Oh, so now we're sitting here at 130.29 again. As I asked with the SPY, is it the beginnings of a more sinister quote unquote pullback? It might be. Obviously, I'm going to be paying attention to today's low of 130.14. We close relatively close to that level. If we break there, things might spiral. There's support of around 120, and I'll see and make another reassessment at that point. It might be at that juncture we go long again. What else? All right, really quickly, since I'm already at 5 minutes, Amazon, we're not in this, but I'm going to just talk about two stocks that we're actually looking to get into. I know it's a higher price security, but, once you get into Amazon, I'm not quite sure you can go long, although I don't know why I want to get into this, because there's just something about this company and the way it's run that I just do not like. Anyway, it's up about 5% on the day. It's down about 5% in after hours. I think the results were mixed. See a quote of around 2,300, somewhere around there. So paying attention to Amazon, clearly above its breakout base. It had this little run here that started in April. I'm expecting it to pull back, and being that these are the stocks that carry the market, maybe, again, it will contribute to the market pulling back a little bit more tomorrow. Who knows? Apple, I believe that they beat on both lines, right? However, it is also down in after hours about down to the tune of 2.62%. I see a quote of 286. So that's somewhere around here. Again, clearly above its breakout base. But these are stocks that I'm looking for them to pull back to kind of get into. We're not there yet, but again, maybe tomorrow is going to be the start of that 10 to 15% pullback. So cautious out there with the longs. I'm not saying not to be long. I'm looking more so for shorts. Not saying I'm going to short Apple or Amazon, but obviously if I'm expecting a pullback, it would make sense to short them. But no, looking for easier shorts out there, and still sitting on my hand patiently waiting for more longs to set up. Anyway, let's cap it there. Tina here once again from ShortMeTina.com. If you enjoyed any portion of that video, do three things for me. One, comment in the comments section. Again, thumbs up. It helps to get these videos out to traders just like yourself. Two, make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel. Subscribe. It's not just subscribe. I do videos every day. Subscribe. And lastly, right now, what we're doing on our website is hosting a free 14-day trading course, essentially detailing everything or a lot of the things that I've learned trading the stock market for the last 20 years. So if that's something that you're interested in, no credit card required, just your email address, then definitely head on over to our website, ShortMeTina.com. Sign up, become a member. Thank you for listening, and as always, thank you for the support. Enjoy your Thursday. Remain safe, and I'll talk to you back here tomorrow.